Why couldn't I speak English? For a long time, I thought the problem was simple. I believed my English was not good enough. I didn't know enough words. I didn't understand grammar. I felt like I needed more time to study. So I kept learning. I watched videos. I read articles. I learned new words every day. I felt productive. I felt like I was improving. But something strange happened. Even after months of learning, I still couldn't speak. I could understand almost everything. When I watched videos, I knew what people were saying. When I read, I understood the meaning. But when it was my turn to speak, I froze. My mind went blank. I forgot simple words. Even basic sentences felt difficult. I didn't understand why. I knew the words. I knew the grammar. But I couldn't use them. Then one day, I noticed something. Before speaking, I always stopped. Not because I didn't know what to say, but because I was thinking too much. I was trying to build the perfect sentence in my head. I wanted it to be correct. I wanted it to sound natural. I wanted to avoid mistakes. And while I was thinking, the moment passed. The conversation moved forward. The other person kept talking. And I stayed silent. It happened again and again. That's when I realized the real problem. It was not my English. It was my fear. I was afraid to make mistakes. Afraid to sound stupid. Afraid that people would judge me. So my brain tried to protect me. It stopped me from speaking. At that moment, I understood something important. Speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being fast and real. Native speakers don't think too much. They don't build perfect sentences. They just speak. So I tried something different. I stopped trying to be perfect. I started to speak in a simple way. Short sentences. Easy words. No overthinking. At first, it felt uncomfortable. I made mistakes. I felt unsure. But I kept going. And slowly, something changed. I started to speak faster. I stopped translating in my head. I felt more confident. Now I understand. I couldn't speak English not because I didn't know it, but because I was too afraid to use it.